Good afternoon, fellow HIM 5390 students. My name is Sean Weber, and I will be presenting on behalf of Team 1, which consists of Dana, Ashley, Lauren, and myself. The agenda for the presentation begins with an introduction, followed by the methodology of training and development for a global HIM workforce, followed by a portion covering global culture and diversity. We'll then go into the types of training. In this case, it'll be skills-based and awareness-based. We'll then go into global compliance consideration, followed by ethical considerations, and finally we will conclude the presentation with a conclusion to tie all the material together. Introduction. With the rapid growth and change within the health information management realm, standardization is critical as a means to ease the burden of complicated healthcare world. The standardization of health information management and policies surrounding HIM has been an ongoing effort. An example of a standardization effort that has been put into in place includes the different volumes of the International Classification of Diseases, ICD-10 codes. Additionally, advances in technology and healthcare systems have enabled faster global alignment with the healthcare industry. This is critical from a reporting standard. Having common outcome-based metrics enables countries from all over the world to compare different elements of care. Furthermore, the comparison allows for communication between the different countries based on the results of those metrics, which has the potential to lead to better overall care provided. Methodology of training. The first methodology is eCourse. In order to combat the distance between individual HIM professionals, eCourse can be used as an online mechanism to conduct training. No longer needed are face-to-face interactions, as eCourse can communicate the same training to people all over the world, which has the potential to standardize certain practices and policies. The second method is AHIMA VLab. AHIMA has a plethora of hands-on training along with numerous communication mechanisms that enable HIM professionals from all over the world to grasp information in a centralized location. The third methodology is assessment. The assessment methodology can also serve as a needs assessment. It allows HIM professionals to identify where their current knowledge and comprehension are at and where they need to improve to better serve their communities. An additional methodology that is used is reflection. Similar to the step prior, reflection allows HIM professionals to determine where their skills are strong and where they need improvement. Through this step, HIM professionals are able to identify continuous training needs to improve their skills in the HIM field. Diversity. Diversity is continuing to grow in both the workforce and the population being served in our healthcare facilities. Having a diverse workforce not only enables for new ideas to surface within healthcare organizations, but it can also assist with patient care. Being cultural competent can go a long way in communicating our patient care by having a basic understanding of the different populations HIM professionals serves. Awareness training. Awareness-based training is when focus is being on the different aspects, including race, culture, gender, identity, education, geographic location, among others. Skills-based training can be applied once awareness training has been completed. This type of training will be used to help practice real-world issues through role-playing or case studies to practice real-life scenarios. Global compliance considerations. Knowing the current global climate is paramount for any HIM professional. Staying current on global events will assist HIM professionals in serving their community. Additionally, although not fully established, in the near future, health information exchanges could have a major impact on the way that health information is communicated and shared. Health information exchanges, or HIEs, could help link and share information for a patient from a different geographic region to the region they are seeking care, which in turn could lead to better outcomes because healthcare decisions could be based in a more holistic way. Ethical considerations. Two theories of ethics to strongly consider when dealing with managing health information around the globe is deontology and utilitarianism by Immanuel Kant and John Stuart Mill, respectively. Utilitarianism is based on consequences. The greatest good for the greatest amount should be selected when dealing with alternative options. Conversely, deontology or duty-based ethics is all about the intent. If alternative options present themselves, you should consider all elements, including intent, and not just the outcome when making a decision. These ethical theories will be very handy when implementing global policies on sensitive matters such as mandatory disease disclosure. Conclusion. Technology in the world as a whole continues to change. It is our duty as HIM professionals to stay current with that change from both a technical and technological standpoint. Having the proper policies and training in place will strongly assist patients from all over the world in receiving the best possible healthcare, which should always be the goal from a healthcare professional.